And these are the live visuals coming in on your screen from AIIMS, where the first vaccine dose is being administered from the national capital, and certainly a momentous occasion for the entire country, where India now begins today a nationwide vaccination drive against the novel coronavirus that has been launched by the Prime Minister himself at 10:30 a.m. this morning via video conferencing. And certainly a big occasion coming in of Dr. Harsh Vardhan himself, who is present there at AIIMS, New Delhi. The first dose of and the first vaccine dose has now been administered. And as the Prime Minister has reiterated thanking the COVID warriors who have worked non-stop 24/7 to make sure that we reach this particular day, Dr. Harsh Vardhan, Union Health Minister, in fact, showcasing that first vaccine that has now been administered. Let's go across to my colleague Shivani, now joining us live. Shivani, first visuals on the screen right now from AIIMS, where the first vaccine dose has been administered.
Richa, this is exactly where I am right now in the AIIMS. The vaccination is going on before
All right, that is an audio issue that we are facing, but these are the first visuals on your screen right now coming in from AIIMS, New Delhi, where we can see Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan, who is present out there to administer the first vaccine dose that has been administered in the national capital post the official launch of a nationwide vaccination drive against the novel coronavirus that has been launched by the Prime Minister himself. Let's go back to my colleague Shivani now. Shivani, over to you.
Richa, we are witnessing the COVID vaccination drive already, which has started in AIIMS, where Dr. Harsh Vardhan, the Union Health Minister, is already witnessing the whole vaccination program. And the first COVID shot has already been given. We saw how the experts of the team are already here. Dr. Randeep Guleria, the director of AIIMS, and Dr. V.K. Paul and many other health workers. As we know that the beneficiary list is already prepared, and according to that list only the COVID vaccination is going on, and 100 health workers who are in the priority list of beneficiaries will be given the COVID vaccine today. And we know that at AIIMS, the Covaxin, the Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is being given, and there are 5 other hospitals where Covaxin is being given. So total 6 hospitals are administering Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, while 75 other hospitals in Delhi are administering Covishield by Serum Institute of India. And we know how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already inaugurated the session, and he's called this India's big victory in its fight against COVID-19 pandemic. And when the vaccination has already started, we know the priority list has already been prepared, and the frontline workers and the healthcare workers, doctors who have been fighting the pandemic relentlessly are in the first beneficiary list, and they are being given these.
All right,